Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we will be exploring the fundamentals of Terraform. Yes, this is a powerful tool in the world of infrastructure as code. So let us get straight in. Terraform is an open source tool created by HashiCorp that allows you to define and manage your infrastructure as code. This means you can easily provision, change, and version your infrastructure in a declarative manner. One of the key strengths of Terraform is its vibrant community. With a large active user base, you can find support, share best practices, and collaborate on projects with like-minded individuals. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, the Terraform community is there to help you succeed. Terraform is widely used across various industries and organizations for automating infrastructure management. From providing cloud resources to managing on-premises infrastructure, Terraform simplifies the process and ensures consistency in your developments. Common use cases can include setting up development environments, deploying applications, and scaling resources based on demand. The Terraform registry is a central repository where you can find modules, providers, and other resources to help you streamline your infrastructure automation. By leveraging models from the registry, you can accelerate your development process and benefit from community-contributed solutions. So, to begin your journey with Terraform, you can follow these steps. First of all, you need to install Terraform onto your PC, and then you need to define your infrastructure using Terraform's configuration files. Initializing your Terraform project will be your very next step, and then plan and apply your changes to create or modify your infrastructure. Then you can explore the Terraform documentation and tutorials to deepen your understanding and expand your skills. In conclusion, Terraform is a versatile tool that empowers you to manage your infrastructure efficiently and highly effectively. Join the Terraform community, explore its use cases, leverage the Terraform registry, and start your automation journey today. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a big old thumbs up and we will see you in another awesome video. Cheers for now.